Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste text on your Samsung phone. So let's say you want to copy something. I'm just going to go to the Google search bar here and then type on something or just select something right here. And then I'm going to hold down on the text. So I want to copy San Francisco here. So let's hold down on this. And you just have to hold down on it a little bit. And sometimes you get the wrong word. So once you have this held down, you can see it will highlight it now. And then you're going to have these two little lines on here. And you just want to go to the left a little bit. Once you have this on here. And then you can drag this over to the right. Then you go to copy. Now it's copied to the clipboard so you can see it down here. You can exit out of there. So on your clipboard now, you can see there is a clipboard. I'm going to zoom in. You can see the clipboard right here. I have all these words I just copied. I can just press it and I'll keep pasting in there. You can see that. So you can bring this to a different location now. Like here's the Google Play Store. I can just go to search on the bottom here. Then I go to the top. Maybe I want to search for San Francisco on here or something like that. So I can just go to here. Hold down on the area I want to paste it. And then I can go to paste right here. Otherwise, if I have that clipboard, I can just go to the clipboard again, hit San Francisco, and it'll populate in there. So yeah, just look at the clipboard. That's very helpful just to paste everything. And then it's going to have your other saves in here too, like I don't know, I just copied random stuff like India, Pakistan, U19 World Cup finals. So you can just paste it in there like that too. So copying and pasting is very easy. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.